Ano nung nagkalpe... Hello, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another review and part 2 ng Worth It ba yung Mahal na series. I will be reviewing the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Na-review ko na to noon pero nasa Australia ako nung na-review ko siya. And you guys have been asking me to review it again na nandito na ako sa Pilipinas. So, kakarating lang nito 2 days ago. And this is going to be my first time using it now na meron akong oily skin and now nandito ako sa Philippines. So, this one is maharlika siya you guys. Compared sa ibang foundation na meron ako, ito yung pinakamahal na I own, I think. 2,351 pesos. Available siya sa Sephora PH. And marami silang shades na available. Meron silang 12 shades. And mine is in the shade Sand. Yep. I am in the shade Sand. Nung ni-review ko to, nasa Australia pa ako, hindi siya like perfect match sa akin. It was teeny bit darker, pero I'm pretty sure it will match me perfectly right now. I hope it will. But yeah, ganito yung itsura niya. It is oil-free, it says. So, we'll see. Sabi dito, undetectable, medium to full coverage foundation and oil-free daw siya. The packaging looks really nice. Like, as in, sobrang sosyali ng packaging. Black lid, gold yun dito. Tapos glass siya. And then, meron din siyang pump, which is perfect. Gustong-gusto ko tong foundation na to nung nasa Australia pa ako. Like, it was my favorite foundation doon. And meron siyang 30 ml. So, 2,000 plus 30 ml. Oh, we'll see kung worth it siya. I will go ahead and apply this on my face right now. I'm just gonna add one full pump. Looks like that. Yellow undertone siya, which is perfect para sa akin. Na-mention ko na I have oily skin, and as you guys can see, meron akong mga redness all around my nose, and then like, yeah, marami akong redness all over my face. Gagamitan ko is yung Real Technique sponge ko. Damp na to. And then I'm just gonna apply. Ooh, that coverage though. It applies really smoothly on the skin and my skin looks really nice. That is half a pump and sobrang I have medium coverage. Like, yeah, medium coverage siya you guys. Sobrang na-cover niya yung redness around my nose and it looks really natural para sa akin. And it has luminous finish, konti lang naman. I will go ahead and apply it on the other side. And para sa akin, okay na okay yung shade niya. Like, it's a perfect match for my... This is what it looks like right now. And meron siyang medium coverage you guys. One layer lang siya, one whole pump all over my face. And meron na din sa neck ko. And gustong-gusto ko siya. Medyo like very slightly malagkit lang siya. Hindi siya like oily na malagkit. Parang malagkit kasi meron akong product sa mukha ko. But nothing crazy. Okay na okay siya sa feeling. Hindi siya heavy. And para sa akin, it looks really natural. And yeah, medyo dumidikit lang. No, not really. Like, very slight lang dumidikit yung buhok ko sa mukha ko. But I will go ahead and set it with my powder. I will apply my concealer as well. And then I will just finish up my face and I'll be back. Okay, so ganito yung itsura niya. Naglagay lang ako ng brows, blush. Nag-apply din ako ng concealer. Tapos naglagay ako ng powder. Again, yung into it. And then yung pag-apply ko ng blush, very easy. And sobrang match siya sa akin, you guys. Para sa akin, sobrang match siya. I will get back to you guys later under natural lighting na. Wala pa akong lipstick kasi kakain pa ako. Tapos hindi ko pa din na straight yung buhok ko. Anyway, it is 9:27 ng umaga. Again, I'll get back to you guys later under natural lighting. What time is it? Hello! It is now 5:05 ng hapon. So, ilang oras na ba itong foundation na to? Hindi ko alam. You guys, we've been out and about and sa SM kami the whole time. Ganito na itsura ng mukha ko. I actually really like it. Kanina, nagpunta kami sa government services. Yeah, nag-vlog kami kanina na, na-notice ni Dan na meron akong, like, nagsato siya sa left line ko, but now nawala na siya. Siguro na yeah, medyo konti. Konting-konti lang naman, parang nag-crease siya doon. Pero walang hindi siya nag-cake up. Parang lang na-emphasize yung left line ko doon. Pero it still looks really good. What do you think?
Looks good.
Yeah, right?
Good.
I mean, it doesn't look like I have a lot of makeup on, right? Looks natural.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay na okay. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay na okay siya you guys. And very, match na match siya sa akin, which I like. And yeah, I actually do not feel, do I look oily babe? No, right? Yeah. So, hindi ako magbablot. And tingnan natin mamayang gabi kung anong mangyayari. Mainit na ngayon and pupunta kami ng dinner. But yeah, so far so good. Hindi siya malagkit. Para lang siyang wala talaga sa mukha ko. And yeah, para sa akin okay na okay siya. It's hot. Yeah, that's alright. So far, so good. I will get back to you guys later. Like, as in, oh, yung ano, coverage niya nandito pa rin. See, yung naka-cover pa rin niya. Medium coverage pa rin. Walang nag-rub off na foundation at all. Okay na okay siya. So, we'll see mamaya kung ano magiging ganap niya. But, so far, so good. I'll check back in tonight. Bye! Hello! Sobrang late na yun, guys. As in, sobra. 10:23 ng gabi. So, hindi ko na alam ko ilang oras na to sa mukha ko. Sobrang tagal. What? 12 hours na ba? Hindi ako nag-retouch at all. Hindi ako nag-powder. Hindi ako nag-blot. Like, wala. After kami pumunta ng SM, nagpunta kami sa Lantaw. It's a restaurant, tapos outdoor siya. So, nandun lang kami sa labas. My face, okay na okay pa din siya tignan. Nag-rub off na ng konti. As in, konting-konti lang. Pero, again, I've had this for 12 hours. Nakita na yung redness o nagpipeak na siya, pero nothing like crazy. Para sa akin, okay na okay pa rin siya tingnan. Nandito pa rin siya. Hindi ako nag-oil up ng bongga. Like, ito lang, guys. And para sa akin, normal lang siya kasi I have oily skin. So, nasabi ko talaga na na-control niya talaga yung oil. Though, hindi ganun ka mainit today. Like, yeah, humid siya, pero hindi like, you know, sobrang init na masakit yung init. Hindi ganun. Medyo umuulan nga kanina eh. Pero, actually, umulan talaga. Pero nung nasa ano kami, restaurant kami, like, ano, parang ano lang, ano ba tawag doon? Drizzling? Basta hindi like heavy na ulan talaga. I'm actually really liking it. And yung laugh line na sinasabi ni Dan kanina na nakita niya, yun yung pinakaunang napansin niya eh. Nasabi ko na to kanina, but yeah, nakaupo lang kami doon, naghihintay kami, nagpa-renew ako ng license ko, and then nakita niya, oh, yung laugh line mo na parang napansin niya yung laugh line ko, and hindi niya napansin yung foundation, parang napansin lang niya na may line yung dito, nawala siya, siguro after nung nag-oil up na ako ng konti, medyo nawala na yung laugh line, like, right now, hindi na ganun kakita, pero para sa akin you guys, okay na okay siya, yung shade is perfect, like, nandito pa rin naman most of the foundation, like, nag-rub off na siya ng konti dito. Pero for the most part, nandito pa rin siya. Maybe because like I was leaning sa shoulder ni Dan, kaya medyo nawala na to dito. Yeah, but again, it's been a long day and hindi ako nag-retouch at all. It felt really natural. Sabi ni Dan, parang wala lang akong foundation. Parang like the usual thing na I do lang, na concealer. Parang walang foundation. And I can see myself using this again. I actually really like it. And gustong-gusto ko na match siya sa skin tone ko. Sa lahat ng foundation ko, ito yung pinaka-match sa skin tone ko. Hindi ko pa nagamit yung Milani. And I think that one is parang okay na okay din siya sa skin tone ko. Like match din siya. We'll see. I will review that siguro bukas, but I'm really enjoying this foundation. I really like it. Some of you guys said kasi na hindi daw siya maganda sa Philippines weather kasi sobrang nag-oil up. Hindi naman. And I have oily skin ha. And okay na okay siya sa akin. Again, walang retouch. I'm really enjoying this foundation. I really like it. Para sa akin, worth it siya. You do not need a lot. One pump lang. Okay na siya sa whole face ko at saka sa neck ko. And it's very long lasting. And it matches me. So, para sa akin, gustong-gusto ko siya. Nagustuhan ko siya nung nasa Australia ako. And now that I'm here, gustong-gusto ko pa rin siya. So, yeah, I really like this foundation. And yun na yung review ko. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, baby. Bye!